Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out my new-ish 50p coin. It is the third coin from the Winnie the Pooh series, and this one is Piglet, and arrived in this bag from the Royal Mint. No longer a hang bag. Wondering if that'll change at all at any time, but I'm starting to get used to how these are now presented. But that's the front and back now. So let's get into it and have a look at what's going on inside. And there we have it, with the packaging taken away. It's just the same as all of the other ones. Just folds out nicely, and you can see the presentation on the coin. But what we're going to do is just have a look at all the information inside. And as usual, I'm going to scan along. And if I'm moving too quickly, then feel free to pause it and have a read at your own pace. And that's it for this side of the leaflet, and you can see all of the illustrations there. So over to the other side. And then on the back we have this information. The very small animal at Pooh's side through many adventures joins our Winnie the Pooh and Friends collection, Piglet. And there we have Piglet running away with a balloon. Now, of course, as usual, before we move on to the coin itself, let's look at the coin specs. So it's a 50p coin, alloy is copper nickel, the weight is 8 grams, diameter 27.30 millimeters, quality is brilliant and circulated, obverse designer Jody Clark, and then the reverse designer is the Walt Disney Company. And there we go, as usual, starting off with the obverse of the coin, 2020, Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen. And the only thing I'm not a fan with this series is the light card, because as usual, it plays havoc and flickers my lights. And then finally onto the reverse of the coin. And there is Piglet on a 50p coin issued by the United Kingdom. That is amazing. And again, I think I've mentioned it for all the other ones in the series so far. Just love the fact that these coins have got Disney written on them. It's just amazing. So cool. And there we have it. That is the third coin in the series, finally. And I say finally because I did actually order this on the day of release, but it's taken until this week to actually arrive through my letterbox. So as you can imagine, I'm really happy that it did show up, and I can't wait to see the rest of the coins in this series. So let me know in the comment section below, have you been collecting these coins? And if so, which one so far is your favourite? And also, I want to know which versions you've been getting. Leave it in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button, because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.